Raphael, skies are clear this morning, and those clear skies and the light wind for a change has allowed our temperature to fall back down into the mid-teens in many locations. Officially 14 degrees the temperature at the airport in Indianapolis. There is that calm wind. Sunrise officially at 7:36. Sunset on this Friday is at 5:25, and we will see plenty of sunshine throughout the entire day today. Now, temperatures are running a little bit colder than they were yesterday morning. In fact, we're about 5 to 10 degrees colder across much of central Indiana, and that puts, again, our temperatures in the low teens in many locations, mid-teens a little further to the south at 15 in Bloomington. 10 degrees, though, is the current temperature right now in Peru, and I wouldn't be surprised maybe in a few isolated northern locations that we do dip down into the single digits here as the morning progresses, and we are in the single digits when you factor in a little bit of a wind that's stronger to the north. Feels like 0 currently in Peru, but you notice there is no wind chill factor here in the metro area. So the good news today is we have plenty of sunshine from start to finish. It's what I like to call deceptive sunshine, though. You look out the window, it looks really nice, then you walk out and it's still very, very cold, as high temperatures will only be right around freezing. But as we turn towards the weekend, we do bring the mild temperatures in. In fact, we're looking at about 55 for the high on Sunday, but with the mild air comes wet conditions. And especially Sunday, we're expecting a lot of rainfall, which Ashley will talk about in just a second. But for today, enjoy the sunshine, have the sunglasses handy throughout the entire day. If you're traveling this weekend up into western Michigan, maybe towards Kalamazoo or Grand Rapids, just know that the lake effect is starting to die down, but they've had a lot of snow as well. You just haven't heard about it as much because it's not quite as much as what they've seen in Buffalo. And back off to the west, skies are clear. So throughout the day today, sunshine from start to finish, 21 by 10 o'clock up to 26 by the noon hour. And our high temperature will top off at 31 degrees. Then overnight tonight, our temperatures will dip down into the mid-20s. This occurs very early on in the evening hours. And then as we go into the overnight hours, we'll start to see the temperature actually warm as the warm front comes through, Ashley. And as that warm front comes in, it won't have a lot of moisture with it, but it will have a few very light rain showers, and when temperatures at the surface at least still below freezing, a little freezing rain is expected.
Yeah, definitely possible for us early in the morning on Saturday morning, and especially areas to the north. Let's get into this forecast because we have to talk about the possibility of freezing rain, a rainy and mild weekend, and of course, a pretty decent Sunday. All right, so the light mix that's possible for us overnight. Let's zoom into that just a little bit here. Saturday morning at midnight, temperatures at this point are pretty mild in the 20s, and then we start that temperature surge with that warm front. Scattered showers mainly on the western portion of the state first. That freezing rain possible for the northern third of the state, but not out of the question that any area north of Interstate 70 sees a little freezing rain. Not a lot, but of course enough freezing rain that you'll notice it as you travel out if you're traveling out very early in the morning on Saturday morning. All right, so scattered showers mainly this is rain as it slides over the area on Saturday morning. As you can see, the rain continues throughout the day on Saturday. So rain throughout the day on Saturday is a big issue for us. It's going to be a rainy Saturday. It continues throughout the afternoon hours, and only that light freezing rain that's possible mainly north of Interstate 70 early Saturday morning. I mean, in between about 1 a.m. and 6 a.m. After that, the threat has moved out because temperatures are too warm at the surface here. All right, so rainy and mild on your Saturday. Throughout the day, you deal with showers and cloudy skies, also becoming a bit breezy in the afternoon hours. Overall high at 47 degrees. So not bad on Saturday, but we can warm things up a bit more on Sunday. Sunday is my pick of the week. Sunday, 55 degrees, rainy and windy. Not out of the question that we see a thunderstorm possible on Sunday. Sunday night, of course, the Colts at home against the Jacksonville Jaguars. Kickoff at 1 p.m. You'll see rain and wind. Possible to see a thunderstorm on Sunday night. And next week, of course, you'll start this cooling trend that we have in the forecast. 7-day planning forecast shows the cooling trend starting off on Monday at 49 degrees. The 30s are back in the forecast for Tuesday and Wednesday, your Thanksgiving Day. A chance of snow at 34 degrees.